Social anxiety, also known as social phobia, is a common mental health condition characterized by an intense fear of social situations. People with social anxiety often experience extreme self-consciousness, fear of judgment, and worry about embarrassing or humiliating themselves in front of others. These individuals may avoid social interactions or endure them with significant distress. Here are some key points to understand about social anxiety. Symptoms. Social anxiety can manifest through various emotional, cognitive, and physical symptoms, including excessive sweating, trembling, rapid heartbeat, nausea, difficulty speaking, blushing, and an overwhelming desire to escape social situations. The anticipation of upcoming events may cause significant anxiety and distress. Triggers. Social anxiety can be triggered by a range of situations, such as public speaking, meeting new people, participating in group activities, eating or drinking in public, or even using public restrooms. The fear typically stems from concerns about being negatively evaluated or judged by others. Causes. The exact causes of social anxiety are not fully understood. It is likely a combination of genetic, environmental, and psychological factors. Traumatic experiences, such as bullying or embarrassment in the past, may contribute to the development of social anxiety. Impact on daily life. Social anxiety can significantly impact an individual's personal and professional life. It may hinder their ability to form relationships, pursue career opportunities, and engage in social activities they would otherwise enjoy. It can also lead to feelings of loneliness, low self-esteem, and depression. Treatment. Social anxiety is a treatable condition, and various treatment options are available. These may include therapy approaches such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which helps individuals identify and challenge negative thought patterns and develop coping strategies. Medications, such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, may also be prescribed in some cases. Self-help strategies. In addition to professional help, there are several self-help strategies that can assist in managing social anxiety. These include practicing relaxation techniques, gradually exposing oneself to feared social situations, setting realistic goals, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a balanced diet. Support networks. Building a support network of understanding family members, friends, or support groups can be beneficial for individuals with social anxiety. Sharing experiences, seeking guidance, and receiving encouragement from others who have gone through similar struggles can provide a sense of validation and reassurance. If you or someone you know is struggling with social anxiety, it is advisable to seek help from a mental health professional. They can provide an accurate diagnosis, develop an appropriate treatment plan, and offer guidance and support throughout the recovery process. Remember, with the right support and strategies, it is possible to manage social anxiety and lead a fulfilling life.